Don't mind my mess. It's not my daily. I've been working on my CRX. I'm actually gonna be installing this on my driver's passenger side. Today I'm gonna be installing my fake wood shift knob, right?
Phonies, goddamn phonies.
Very simple. And this is my fake Spoon Sports. It's not real. I bought it on eBay for like $20, I think. So I'm pretty sure it's not real.
Total phony.
But anyways, let's get to it. This is from eBay. I bought it a few years ago. Still looks good, right? Still looks good. But yeah, definitely not real. Comes with this ones, right? And you have to pick whichever fits the best in here. Now that you pick the right plastic thing, put it on here. Make sure you use one, otherwise you're gonna screw up your tread on this, and that's not gonna be good if in case you want to go back to OEM shift knob or like my Spoon one. Fake Spoon, of course.
Fake.
Take this off, put it in there, and it has 3 screws, I guess, and just put it in here, right? Make sure it goes all the way in. That's what she said.
That's what she said.
And just make them tight, and that's about it, really. And once you got it on, it should look like this. Shouldn't move or shake or come off, really. Pretty nice. Next, I'm gonna be taking off my steering wheel, and I'm gonna be putting my Nardi personal steering wheel. I will be doing that on the weekend. Should be pretty easy. It's gonna take a energy hub, quick release, and that should be it. Little by little.
It's finally over.